the wake of Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar's death, intense political deliberations have begun over his succession. With the sudden leadership vacuum, the focus has now been shifted to who will carry his political legacy forward. Sources indicate that behind the scenes, political activity is already underway within the party. Amid these discussions, demands are growing to elevate Ajit Pawar's wife, Sunetra Pawar, to a key leadership role. Sunetra Pawar, currently a Rajya Sabha member, is being projected as a potential Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. According to sources, these are also calls to appoint her as the interim party president and field her as candidate for the Baramati Assembly by-election. Baramati, considered Ajit Pawar's political stronghold, is now at the center of succession politics. Well, after Ajit Pawar's death, a big leadership vacuum in NCP. Who will be the leader of NCP now? Whether the power will stay inside the Pawan clan, or will it go to an outsider? Only time will tell. Big loss for the Maharashtra politics and for NCP as well. Sunetra Pawar, wife of Ajit Pawar, is now emerging as a key contender to take the party forward and to lead the party and become the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Although she is a Rajya Sabha member, critics say that she lacks the mass appeal and administrative experience that Ajit Pawar had to offer. But looks like after Ajit Pawar, Sunetra Pawar can be the one, can be the face who will lead NCP forward and be the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra as well. Well, there have been talks about whether the NCP factions will merge together, whether the NCP Ajit Pawar faction and Sharad Pawar faction might reunite after the tragic loss. If it does, Sunetra Pawar is coming out, is emerging as a front runner for the leadership role and for the post of Deputy Chief Minister. Other leaders such as Chhagan Bhujbal, Praful Patel are also in the fray. Sunetra Pawar, being a wife of Ajit Pawar and daughter-in-law of the Pawar clan, is also being seen as a potential candidate